This is Insta360 X4, and today I will show how you can manually set or simply adjust the shutter speed in this camera. In the beginning, make sure to select whatever shooting mode you would like to use. Should it be photo or video? I'll actually switch to photo, but it doesn't matter. Then swipe from the right side or from the right edge of the display to the left. Here, make sure to, switch to manual mode by, selecting the M rectangle here, and then look for this icon, tap on it, and you can, adjust the shutter speed. Here is the list of available values. Once the shutter speed is set, or the preferred shutter speed is selected, just get back, and here you have it. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.